Class 5 Maths Workbook Semester 2 Chapter 4 Multiplication and Division. From this chapter we shall complete the worksheets 7 to 12 in part 2 video. Worksheet 7. First Roman, fill in the blanks to make the sentences true. 932 divided by 31 gives. In this Roman, we shall find out the quotients and remainder or dividend depending on the question. In a division, we have divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. After dividing 932 with 31, we get the quotient 30 and remainder 2. In the second one, we shall find out the divisor. In a division, divisor is equal to dividend minus remainder divided by quotient. That is 936 minus 0 divided by 104. After dividing 936 with 104, we get 9. Third one, in a division, quotient is equal to dividend minus remainder divided by divisor. That is 1022 minus 0 divided by 14. After dividing 1022 with 14, we get 73. Therefore, quotient is 73. In the fourth problem, we shall find out the dividend. So, in a division, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 23 multiplied with 15 plus 5. That is equal to 345 plus 5. That gives 350. Therefore, dividend is 350. Second Roman, divide mentally and fill the blanks. First one, the number of weeks for 91 days is, we have 7 days in a week. Therefore, 91 days makes how many weeks? To get the answer, we shall divide 91 with 7. Therefore, 91 divided by 7 gives 13. Second one, 496 sweets are distributed among 8 children. Each children gets how many sweets? To get the sweets distributed to each child, we shall divide 496 with 8. That is 62. Third one, 40 ice creams cost 320 rupees. One ice cream will cost. To get the cost of one ice cream, we shall divide 320 with 40. After division, we get 8. Therefore, the cost of one ice cream is 8 rupees. Fourth one, a packet of incense sticks contains 60 sticks. How many packets will contain 3600 sticks? To get the answer, we shall divide 3600 with 60. That is 60. Next Roman, do the following. First problem is 5248 divided by 24. After dividing 5248 with 24, we get the quotient 218 and remainder 16. B problem, 8755 divided by 25. After dividing 8755 with 25, we get the quotient 350 and remainder 5. Worksheet 8. First problem, a cement factory produces 43,500 bags of cement in a month. Consider the month has 30 days. How many cement bags does it produce in one day? Let's answer the questions given. What data is given? Cement bags produced by the factory. What is to be found? Cement bags produced in a day. What is the mathematical operation to be used to solve the problem? Division. Second problem. Second problem is the same problem, but we shall answer the questions given. How many bags of cement did the factory produce in a month? 43,500 bags. How many days are there in a month? 30 days. How many bags of cement can be produced in a day? To get the answer, we shall divide 43,500 with 30. After dividing, we get how many bags are produced by the factory in a day. After dividing 43,500 with 30, we get 1,450. Therefore, 1,450 bags of cement can be produced in a day by the factory. Third problem. Number of cement bags produced by the factory in a month. 43,500. Number of days in a month. 30. Number of cement bags produced by the factory in a day. We can get this by dividing 43,500 with 30. After dividing, we get 1,450. Therefore, number of cement bags produced by the factory in a day are 1,450. Fourth problem is the same problem, but we should construct the sentences. Number of cement bags produced in a month is equal to 43,500. Number of days in a month is equal to 30. Number of cement bags produced in a day, that is equal to 43,500 divided by 30, that is equal to 1,450. Therefore, number of cement bags produced in a day is equal to 1,450. Worksheet 9. First problem. If the cost of 100 kg rice bag is 4,800 rupees, what is the cost of 25 kg rice bag? In the question, the cost of 100 kg rice bag was given and we should find out the cost of 25 kg rice bag. Solution. Cost of 100 kg rice bag is equal to 4,800 rupees. Cost of 1 kg rice. We can get cost of 1 kg rice by dividing 4,800 with 100, that is equal to 48 rupees. Cost of 25 kg rice bag. We can get the cost of 25 kg rice by multiplying 25 with the cost of 1 kg rice, that is 48 multiplied with 25, we get 1,200 rupees. Therefore, cost of 25 kg rice bag is equal to 1,200 rupees. Second problem. If the cost of 3 dozen eggs is 156 rupees, what is the cost of 7 dozen eggs? In the question, cost of 3 dozen eggs was given and we have to find out the cost of 7 dozen eggs. Solution. Cost of 3 dozen eggs is equal to 156 rupees. Cost of 1 dozen eggs. We can get a cost of 1 dozen eggs by dividing 156 by 3. After dividing, we get 52. Cost of 7 dozen eggs is equal to, we can get the cost of 7 dozen eggs by multiplying 7 with cost of 1 dozen eggs, that is 52 multiplied with 7. After multiplication, we get 364. Therefore, cost of eggs is equal to 364 rupees. Third problem. If the cost of 45 meters electric wire is 3,540 rupees, how much amount does require to buy 24 meters of such wire? In the question, the cost of 45 meters electric wire was given and we have to find out the cost of 24 meters of such wire. Solution. Cost of 45 meters electric wire is equal to 3,540 rupees. Cost of 1 meter electric wire. We can get the cost of 1 meter electric wire by dividing 3,540 by 45. After dividing we get 78.6. Therefore, cost of 1 meter electric wire is equal to 78.6 rupees. Therefore, cost of 24 meters of such wire is equal to, we can get the cost of 24 meters by multiplying 78.6 with 24. After multiplication, we get 1886.4. Therefore, cost of 24 meters wire is equal to 1886 rupees 40 pice. Fourth problem. Product of two numbers is 27,176. If one of them is 43, find the other number. In the question, the product of two numbers is given and one of the number is also given. We have to find out the other number. Solution. Product of two numbers is equal to 27,176. One of the number is equal to 43. Other number, we can get the other number by dividing 27,176 by 43. After dividing, we get 632. Therefore, other number is equal to 632. Worksheet 10. First Roman, first estimate the answer and then calculate. First problem, 37 multiplied with 16. Estimated answer is 446. After calculating, after multiplying 37 with 16, we get 592. Therefore, the actual answer is 592. Second one, number of days for 52 weeks. Estimated answer is 263. After calculating to get number of days in 52 weeks, we have to multiply 52 with 7 as we have 7 days in a week. After multiplying 52 with 7, we get 364. Therefore, number of days for 52 weeks are 364. Third one, 709 multiplied with 99. Estimated answer is 82,510. After calculating, that means after multiplying 709 with 99, we get 70,191. Therefore, 709 multiplied with 99, we get 70,191. Second Roman, divide mentally and fill the blanks. Check your answer with calculation. First problem, 130 notebooks are distributed equally among 10 children. Each child will get how many notebooks? To get the notebooks, we should divide 130 with 10. After dividing, we get 13. Second problem, 40 charts cost is 320 rupees. Then the cost of one chart is. After dividing 320 with 40, we get 8. Therefore, cost of one chart is 8 rupees. A tray of eggs contains 30 eggs. How many trays will contain 360 eggs? To get the answer, we should divide 360 with 30. After dividing, we get 12. Therefore, 12 trays will contain 360 eggs. D problem. If 5,625 plants are planted equally in 25 rows, find the number of plants in each row. In the question, the number of plants planted in 25 rows were given. We should find out the number of plants in each row. That means to get the answer, we should divide 5,625 with 25. After dividing, we get 225. Therefore, number of plants in each row is equal to 225. Worksheet 11. Do the following sums and verify your answer with multiplication. First, we should divide the given problem and then verify the answer with multiplication. In a division, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with quotient plus remainder. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We shall use this formula for verification. First problem, 678 divided by 6. After dividing, we get quotient 113 and remainder 0. By applying the formula, 6 multiplied with 113 plus 0, we get 678. That is the dividend. Therefore, the answer is correct. Second problem, 950 divided by 10. After dividing 950 by 10, we get 95 as quotient and 0 as remainder. For verification, by applying the formula, 10 multiplied with 95 plus 0 is equal to 950, where 950 is the dividend. So the answer is correct. Third problem, 786 divided by 13. After dividing, we get 60 as quotient and 6 as remainder. For verification, 13 multiplied with 60 plus 6, that is equal to 780 plus 6, that is equal to 786, which is the dividend. So the answer is correct. Fourth problem, 7438 divided by 9. By dividing 7438 by 9, we get 826 as quotient and 4 as remainder. For verification, we apply the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 9 multiplied with 826 plus 4, that is equal to 7434 plus 4, that is equal to 7438, which is the dividend. So the answer is correct. Fifth problem, 3489 divided by 12. After dividing, we get 290 as quotient and 9 as remainder. For verification, we use the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 12 multiplied with 290 plus 9 is equal to 3480 plus 9, that is equal to 3489, which is the dividend. So the answer is correct. Sixth problem, 4896 divided by 28. After dividing 4896 with 28, we get 174 as quotient and 24 as remainder. By verification, 28 multiplied with 174 plus 24 is equal to 4872 plus 24, that is equal to 4896, which is the dividend. So the answer is correct. Seventh problem, 25,048 divided by 7. After dividing, we get 3578 as quotient and 2 as remainder. By verification, 7 multiplied with 3578 plus 2, that is equal to 25,046 plus 2, that is equal to 25,048. So the answer is correct. Eighth problem, 67,809 divided by 47. After dividing, we get 1442 as quotient and 35 as remainder. Therefore, by verification, 47 multiplied with 1442 plus 35, that is equal to 67,774 plus 35, that is equal to 67,809. So the answer is correct. Ninth problem. 92,863 divided by 58. After dividing 92,863 with 58, we get 1601 as quotient and 5 as remainder. For verification, we use the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is equal to 58 multiplied with 1601 plus 5 is equal to 92,863. So the answer is correct. Worksheet 12. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number with which we multiply is called multiplier. The result obtained in multiplication is called product. Second Roman, do the following multiplications. 809 multiplied with 35. By multiplying 809 with 35, we get 28,315. Second problem, 7,608 multiplied with 9. After multiplying, we get 68,472. Third problem, 80,451 multiplied with 87. After multiplication, we get 69,99,237. Third problem, daily wage of a worker in a factory is 450 rupees. Find the total wage of the worker in the month of January. In the question, the daily wage of a worker is given and we should find out the total wage for January month. Solution, daily wage of a worker is equal to 450 rupees. Number of days in January month is equal to 31. Total wage of the worker in January month. To get the total wage, we should multiply the wage of one day with 31. After multiplying 450 with 31, we get 13,950. Therefore, total wage of the worker for January month is 13,950 rupees. Fourth Roman, multiplier multiplied with multiplicand is equal to product. Multiplier is equal to product divided by multiplicand. Fifth Roman, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Sixth Roman, do the following divisions. 432 divided by 18. After dividing 432 with 18, we get 24 as quotient and 0 as remainder. Second problem, 2226 divided by 42. After dividing 2226 by 42, we get 53 as quotient and 0 as remainder. Next problem, there are 180 pencils in 18 boxes. How many pencils are there in 20 such boxes? In the question, number of pencils in 18 boxes was given. We have to find out how many pencils in 20 such boxes. Solution is, number of pencils in 18 boxes is equal to 180. Number of pencils in one box is equal to, we can get this by dividing 180 with 18, that is equal to 10. Number of pencils in 20 boxes, we can get this by multiplying 10 with 20, that is equal to 200. Ninth problem, there are 552 students in 23 sections of a school. If the number of students in each section is same, how many students are there in 34 sections? In the question, the number of students in 23 sections was given. We have to find out the number of students in 34 sections. Solution is, number of students in 23 sections is equal to 552. Number of students in one section is equal to, we can get this by dividing 552 by 23. After dividing, we get 24. Therefore, number of students in one section is equal to 24. Number of students in 34 sections is equal to, we can get this by multiplying 34 with number of students, that is 24 multiplied with 34, we get 816. Therefore, number of students in 34 sections is equal to 816. Tenth problem. If the cost of 5 kg rice is 250 rupees, find the cost of 18 kg rice. In the question, cost of 5 kg rice is given and we have to find out the cost of 18 kg rice. Solution. Cost of 5 kg rice is equal to 250 rupees. Cost of 1 kg rice is equal to, we can get this by dividing 250 with 5. After dividing, we get 50 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 50 rupees. Cost of 18 kg rice is equal to, we can get this by multiplying 18 with cost of 1 kg rice, that is 50 multiplied with 18. After multiplying, we get 900. Therefore, cost of 18 kg rice is equal to 900 rupees. 11th problem. Prepare a word problem to the given division 365 divided by 7. We have to prepare a word problem for the given division. If the cost of 7 books is 365 rupees, find the cost of 1 book. 12th Roman. First problem. 13 multiplied with 25. The estimated answer is 365. After multiplying 13 with 25, we get 325. So the actual answer is 325. Second one, 16 multiplied with 33. The estimated answer is 486. After multiplying 16 with 33, we get 528. So the actual answer is 528. Thank you for watching.